To set up wallet and pay with your OPPO A6 Pro 5G, first of all, you will need to open an app called Google Wallet. As I'll be showing it on the Google Wallet, there's many different apps that allows you to pay, and it's fairly simple to add cards to each of those apps, so you can follow almost same instructions for a wallet, Google Wallet. So if you don't see Google Wallet app, you also might need to download it from Google Play Store. But in this case, let's open Google Wallet now, and then we need to make sure that we are logged into our Google account, and then click on this plus button. From here, select what you want to add, in this case, payment card. And then we'll need to either line up our card, so that means you need to scan it with your camera. In this image right here, it will just show you your camera footage, and then you need to put it next to the card. Or you can enter your details for the card manually. Just enter the card number, expiration date, and security code, and then save it. When this is saved, all you have to do next is to open the settings, then find the NFC, which is located in connection and sharing, NFC right here. Make sure that NFC is enabled, and in default NFC app you have app selected that is using your card, in this case Google Wallet. So now next step is to just if you're in a store and let's say that this screwdriver right here is the terminal for card payment, then you can just grab your phone and move it to this terminal, that just like that, and then you'll be able to pay. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.